Welcome. In front of me is a Honor View 20, and today I'll show you how to access the download mode. So we'll start off by actually powering the phone off. Hold the power key and select power off. Tap on it twice. And once the phone is turning off, we'll actually get the cable that came with the device, so USB Type-C here, and plug it into the computer or laptop, whatever you have. And when you have that ready, you can proceed on. So I'm gonna take the phone in my hand so it's easier. And what you wanna do is hold volume up and down together. So I'm gonna hold it right now. And while you're holding volume up and down, plug in the phone with the USB Type-C cable that is connected to your computer. And wait a moment for it to actually turn on. Okay, and now it's in download mode. It's gonna start downloading some update. So you might wanna set the device somewhere and wait a moment. It might take a couple minutes, so just be patient. And I'll be back once it's actually finishes. And as you can see, now the process is finished and the device is rebooted on its own, and we're just on a lock screen. So yeah, so basically that is how you access the download mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.